Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by melting chocolate to a smooth, glossy texture. This creates the reflective highlights critical for bokeh. Use 70% dark for contrast and temper gently so it holds shape. Meanwhile, load piping bags or a small syringe with warm chocolate so you can control droplet size. This controls bokeh size and brightness. Once done, place a shallow tray with parchment under your lens plane and position your camera a fixed distance away so you can reliably repeat drops. You now produce the droplets while watching the lens through test frames. Different drop heights and amounts change the blur, so experiment with 3 mm blobs first. Use a gentle fan or quick chill in the fridge to set shapes faster, because softer chocolate spreads if left warm, and you want defined discs for clean bokeh. Make sure to keep the camera aperture wide for shallow depth of field, and move the tray slightly to vary foreground/background separation. This controls both size and quality of the bokeh. You finish by letting set droplets firm up so they retain crisp circular highlights in your image. Patience here pays off because motion or sagging ruins the bokeh. Once set, position the tray at the distance that produced the best blur, use manual focus to lock the plane, and shoot multiple frames while slightly varying aperture and distance. If droplets smear or flatten, lower the chocolate temperature by 2 to 4 degrees and redo a few. This increases viscosity and prevents spreading, which fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.